Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to do this animation over here, this over button animation. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so stay tuned, watch to the end, and if you are new here on my channel, please like and hit the subscribe button. So first of all, you go to your Visual Studio Code, or if you have any other IDE on your system like Sublime Text and the likes, you can use that also. But for this video, I'll make use of Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it, I'm going to drop the link to download it in the description. You enter your necessary parameters before you start programming, just as you can see right here on my screen. So now let us give our web page a name, a title. Let us name it Glow Effect. Alright, so we are going to name it Glow Effect. Once we've done that, once we've named it Glow Effect, then we'll come to our body right here and enter a button element, button class. Let's give it a class name of Glow. Let's give it a class name of Glow. Then let us write hello right there, so you can save your work and preview it. So you can install a live server on your Visual Studio Code and preview it from there, but I haven't installed a live server on my VS Code for now. So you can see it over here. Hello. Now let us go and begin to style our programming. So right here I have created a style1.css file. So before you start using that, you are going to link up your style.css. You are going to link up your style.css file. You are going to link up your style.css file. So once you've done that, you save your work before you continue. But of course, you should all be aware that there are different ways of styling your HTML file. You can style it inside this HTML file. You can create a separate file just like what I'm doing, and you can also do the inline styling, imputing your style attribute in between your open tag bracket. So now the next thing we are going to do, now that we've successfully linked the style CSS and the index.html together, then let's begin to style our project. The first thing to do is to style your body as usual. So I'm going to enter the code I want to use to style my body according to my taste. So I have successfully styled my body code. Okay, now let us preview our code right here and see. Yes, okay, so now you can see it. I've successfully styled my body code. Now the next thing to start styling is this hello button right here. So let us begin our styling. Now for to style this, we have to make use of this class that we called out here, and In programming, when calling out a class name from your HTML in your CSS, you put a dot, then type in the exact value you use for your class. So I use glow right there, so I'm going to type in dot glow and begin my styling. So I'm going to style it to my taste. Alright, so I've successfully styled the glow button. Now remember, I'm trying to replicate an over effect. So the next thing I'm going to do is to program a pseudo before effect for the button. So how do I do that? Call out a class attribute again and use what you call a pseudo selector, then give it a before attribute and begin to style your work. Sorry about that. Alright, now we have successfully started that. Let's preview our work and see how far we are going. So Valua, here it is. Now let's continue. Now let us begin to add the over effect proper, and to do that you call out the class again, then you introduce the over code command. So let us give the over code command a color, and a background of white. Now let's preview our code and see how far we've gone. So as you can see it, very beautiful, very easy to make. You can see the over button, you can see the over effect. Very beautiful, very easy to make. So if you feel you don't like the color combination I use, you can come over here and change it to your taste. So that's the end of this video. If you have any question, drop your question right there in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it proper. And in the absence of none, if you are just new to this channel, please like and subscribe to this video, and try as much as possible to share this video to those you feel need it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.